Hello everyone, welcome to our exploration of one of the most talked about digital currencies today. Today let's dive into the Pi network, a revolutionary digital currency you can mine right from your smartphone, without any complicated setup. No expensive computers or technical know-how needed, just tap a button daily to prove you're real and help secure the network. It's as simple as checking your phone, making it accessible for everyone, no matter your background. Pi was created by Stanford grads who wanted to make cryptocurrency simple, accessible, and useful for everyday people. Their vision was to break down barriers and open up digital currency to the masses. Unlike Bitcoin, Pi's mining is energy-light and user-friendly. You won't need to worry about high electricity bills or complex hardware. The goal? To make digital money you can actually use for things like coffee, shopping, or paying friends, directly from your phone. Imagine a world where your digital currency is as easy to spend as cash. Pi's strength is its community. Users, called pioneers, build and secure the network just by participating. Every member plays a vital role in keeping the system safe and growing. The more people join, the more valuable Pi becomes, a bit like a social network for money. As the network expands, so does its potential. Early members are rewarded, encouraging growth and engagement. Being an early adopter means you help shape the future of the network. Pi isn't just another coin for trading. It's about building a practical, user-friendly platform for daily transactions. The focus is on real-world utility, not just speculation. By removing technical and financial barriers, Pi puts digital currency in everyone's hands. It's designed for inclusivity, so anyone can participate. Millions worldwide have joined, drawn by this vision of a simple, secure, and accessible digital currency. The network is growing every day, connecting people across continents. It's a decentralized financial system powered by people, for people. The community is at the heart of everything Pi does. That's what makes Pi Network stand out, a digital currency built for everyone, everywhere, with the power to change how we use money in our daily lives. Pi Network began in 2019 with a simple idea, one that would eventually spark a global movement in the world of digital currency. The goal was clear: make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just tech experts or those with expensive hardware. The founders, a group of Stanford graduates, recognized that crypto was too exclusive. They set out to build Pi, a new kind of digital currency that could be mined right from your mobile phone, making participation possible for anyone, anywhere. Early users, known as pioneers, began mining Pi in a test environment. Their feedback and participation were crucial in growing and testing the network's security and scalability. For several years, Pi operated in testnet mode. There was no real value yet, just a dedicated team and community laying the technical foundation for the future. During this time, the team developed essential tools like the Pi wallet and Pi browser, making it easier for millions of users to join and interact with the ecosystem. In July 2023, Pi announced its plans for the open mainnet, igniting huge excitement and anticipation across its rapidly growing community. To prepare for this next phase, the team accelerated KYC verification, ensuring that only real verified users could join the mainnet and help keep the network secure. On February 20th, 2025, Pi launched its open mainnet, a live, fully functional blockchain, open to the world and ready for real use. Now, for the first time, pioneers could use their mined coins for real transactions, exchanging value and goods in the real world. This moment marked the end of years of hard work, testing, and development, and the beginning of a new era for Pi and its global community. The network moved from simulation to reality, finally fulfilling its original mission of bringing cryptocurrency to everyone, everywhere. Pi's journey is a testament to the power of careful planning, innovation, and the strength of a united community working toward a shared vision. The shift from testnet to open mainnet was a game-changer for Pi. Testnet was a safe playground, mining and transactions were just practice, with no real value. On February 20th, 2025, Pi's blockchain went live. Every transaction became real, permanent, and valuable. Pioneer's coins now had real-world utility, usable for payments, goods, and services. For users, mining became a real contribution to a digital economy. Developers could now build dApps with real impact, from marketplaces to games. This move fulfilled a major milestone in Pi's roadmap, proving the project's vision. Pi became more than a mining app. It's now a full blockchain platform. The open Mainnet launch established Pi as a serious player in crypto. Pi's greatest strength is its massive community. Over 60 million confirmed users worldwide. This isn't just a tech crowd, it's a global movement for accessible finance. Growth was organic, fueled by word of mouth and a built-in referral system. Pi focused on building a huge, engaged user base before launching its mainnet. Now, developers and businesses have instant access to millions of potential customers. The first anniversary of Open Mainnet celebrates a year of real transactions and ecosystem growth. Every pioneer has helped build one of the world's largest crypto networks. This shared ownership drives Pi's momentum. The community's belief and participation are Pi's true power. With Open Mainnet Live, what can you do with your Pi coins? Quite a lot. You can send Pi instantly to friends, no banks needed. More merchants worldwide now accept Pi for real goods and services, both online and in stores. The Pi browser connects you to businesses and a growing digital marketplace. Developers are building dApps, games, social platforms, and financial tools, all powered by Pi. Pi's vision is a circular economy. Mine, spend, and earn Pi within the ecosystem. The first year laid the foundation for this new digital world. As more users complete KYC and more businesses join, Pi's real-world utility keeps expanding. Pi is becoming a true currency for the people. The possibilities are just beginning. Pi's technology is built for speed and security. Unlike Bitcoin's slow transactions, Pi settles payments in just 3 to 5 seconds. It uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, making it efficient and lightweight. Open Mainnet v2 and Protocol 23 upgrades improved performance and enabled interoperability with other blockchains. This opens Pi to the broader DeFi world and more complex applications. Pi's price has remained stable thanks to careful token supply management and gradual KYC-based releases. With 8.8 billion PI in circulation, only verified users can access mainnet coins, adding security. Fast transactions, ongoing upgrades, and strong tokenomics make Pi a solid platform. The focus is on sustainability, not hype. Pi is building for the long term. The real test for Pi is adoption, and it's happening. Fintechs in Australia are using Pi for micropayments, thanks to its low fees and fast settlements. Pi is now listed on major exchanges, making it tradable for other cryptocurrencies or fiat. Platforms like BitGet, Kraken, Coinbase, and Binance have embraced Pi, boosting its credibility. Exchange listings provide liquidity and connect Pi to the global financial system. Users can convert Pi to stablecoins or even invest in traditional assets. Pi acts as a bridge between crypto and mainstream finance. A pioneer can now go from mining on their phone to investing worldwide. Pi is closing the gap between decentralized and traditional finance. Ready to use your Pi? If you've been mining Pi and are eager to unlock its full potential, you're in the right place. Mainnet migration is the key step that transforms your mined Pi into usable digital currency. First, complete KYC verification in the Pi app, submit your ID and pass a liveness check to prove you're a real person. This process ensures every user is genuine, keeping the network fair, transparent, and secure for everyone. Once you're approved, it's time to create your Pi wallet, a non-custodial wallet that only you can access and control. Safeguard your passphrase carefully. If you lose it, your Pi cannot be recovered, and your coins will be lost forever. After KYC and wallet setup, initiate migration in the app to move your coins securely to the mainnet. There's a short pending period while your migration is processed, then your Pi will be ready to use on the mainnet. You can now send, spend, or hold your coins as you wish, opening up new possibilities for transactions and payments. This simple process turns your daily mining efforts into real, usable digital currency you can access anytime. Mainnet migration is your gateway to the growing Pi economy. Start your journey today and be part of the future. As Pi enters its second year on open mainnet, the future is full of promise and challenges. Its massive, engaged community gives Pi a unique edge for mainstream crypto adoption. Developers have a ready audience for new Web3 apps, driving innovation. But regulatory uncertainty and cybersecurity threats remain real hurdles. Pi must navigate global laws and stay vigilant against scams and hacks. Competition from established blockchains is fierce, so ongoing innovation is crucial. Success depends on sustained activity, compelling dApps, and continued user growth. Pi must prove it's more than a mining app, it's a real, decentralized economy. The community's participation will shape Pi's next chapter. The world is watching to see if Pi can deliver on its bold vision.